Welcome to Indian Market in Minutes from Motilal Oswal Research Desk. We will be covering technical and derivatives FIIs activity, index, actionable, sectors and stocks to watch out. So stay tuned till the end. Hey, this is your host Shivangi Sarda, and let's start the day with some global cues. Positive market sentiment is anticipated due to the potential US Fed interest rate cut, falling oil prices, and strong FII buying. Additionally, recent government announcements of favorable schemes such as rural road projects, e-bus program, health insurance for those over 70 years, and investment in hydro projects are expected to further boost the market sentiment. To start with our first segment for Wednesday, 12th of September 2024, Nifty index opened flattish and recovered in the first half of the session, but failed to hold above 25,100 and slipped below 24,900. Index remained quite volatile throughout the day, and bears took over in the middle of the day to finally close with losses of around 120 points. It formed a bearish candle on the daily frame and failed to hold on to the previous day's recovery. India VIX was up by 2% to 13.6 levels. Nifty put-call ratio decreased to 0.88. Now, volatility slightly inched higher after the cool-off of the last couple of days, and this, along with a decrease in put-call ratio, created some discomfort for the bulls. Option data suggests a broader trading range in between 24,500 to 25,500. while immediate range is in between 24,700 to 25,200. Moving on to the second segment in the equity cash market, FIIs were net buyers to the tune of 1,755 crores, while DIIs were buyers worth 231 crores. FIIs index long-short ratio decreased to 63.5%. Going ahead with the index actionable, derivatives data and price setup suggest if Nifty manages to hold above 24,850, then some bounce could be seen towards 25,150, then 25,250. While on the downside, supports can be placed at 24,750 and shifting lower to 24,650. Bank Nifty has to continue to hold above 50,750 for a bounce towards 51,750. While on the downside, support can be seen at 50,750 and then 50,500. And finally, talking about the sectors and stocks to watch out, there is an absolute mixed bag today. Positive stance was seen in selective consumer durables and FMCG names, while profit booking in most of the names, which includes pharma, cement and construction, oil and gas, chemical and fertilizers, utilities and metal stocks. Now, stocks to keep on radar, positive stance is seen in Bajaj Auto, Naukri, Havells, Polycab, Indigo, Bajaj Finance, Coforge and Divi Slab. Now, falling oil prices should also benefit sectors like paints and aviation. Paints include Berger Paint and Asian Paint. Some weakness could be seen in Tata Motors, GNFC, ONGC, REC, IDFC First Bank, Godrej Property and Can Bank. Wish you a super trading day ahead. Shivangi Sarda signing off. Follow this podcast for solid advice. Investment and securities market are subject to market risk. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.